Okay, for this problem, what you really need to notice is that it's asking you for the intervals of time when the particle, speed of the particle is decreasing, which also means that it's slowing down. You might find this kind of wording on the AP Calc test. Okay. What that means is slowing down. The way you should think about it is that the signs for, type this out, signs for V of t and A of t are opposite. Okay, so that's the key step you need to keep in mind. Okay, so I'll leave that there. Okay. On the flip side, if there's a different problem where it said the speed of the particle is increasing or speeding up, the signs for V of t and A of t are the same. Okay, but in this case, they are the opposite of each other. And when that happens, there's going to be two cases. Case one is when V of t is positive and A of t is negative. Okay, so that's case one. All right, let's talk about when that might occur. So the other key thing to notice about this problem is that they start you off with the velocity curve, okay, not position. All right, so we need to see this graph differently. If they're asking, we need to find out when velocity is positive, okay, that means this graph needs to be above the x-axis. All right, and acceleration is negative because acceleration is a derivative of velocity. Okay, acceleration is basically one derivative away from velocity. So we're seeing this as like a first derivative test. So in that case, it's an interval where acceleration, I'm sorry, where the graph is going to be decreasing. Okay, where V of t is decreasing. Okay, so we're looking for intervals for these two features, where it's above x-axis and V of t is decreasing. In that case, t is between 0 to 5 here. Okay, where else? So it's positive and decreasing from 10 to 13 as well. On the other hand, in case 2, okay, let's talk about the opposite signs. So in that case, velocity can be negative and acceleration will be positive. Okay, so that means this is below x-axis, and this is going to be when V of t is increasing or going up. Okay, actually, let me write down the time intervals for case 1. So it would have been 0, 5, or 10, 13. And for case 2, the only time that happens, I'll draw it in purple, shows different. So below x-axis and increasing. So that's between 15 and 17. And these will be the intervals for when the speed of the particle is decreasing.